are you pouting? You're pouting because we're eating and not playing with you?
He raises those eyes up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. You can't eat fried fish, I'm sorry.
But
I'd give you
Mama
some if I
give you
could.
something good after I eat.
Mm-hmm. We have food for Shadow.
Mm-hmm.
Just can't give you fried seafood. Easy, mate. My hands are full of food. I'm not touching you right now.
Right.
I'll pet you after. He's just sniffing around. Shadow. Can Nanny eat, please? Can Nanny please eat? He said, no, it's my food. You cannot eat seafood. He said, put up warnings.
You're looking at what's
Shadow.
for pot.
Go lay down, please. We'll get you food after, I promise. Go lay down. You can't have it. I'm sorry, you cannot have it. There's nothing I can do about that. You will get sick.